dance? First step is you will slide to the right while we say slide to the side. Let's give it a try. Slide to the side. Step 2, you will slide to the left while saying slide to the food. Let's give it a try. Slide to the food.
Step 3 is you turn your body and you move your hand and your leg at the same time while saying eat. Let's give it a try. Eat, 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 eat.
Step 4, you're going to do 2 jumping jacks with the words play, like this. Play, 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 play. Now let's try. Play, 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 play.
Let's review. Slide to the side. Slide to the food. Now eat, 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 eat. Now play, 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 play. Good job, Ray.
The final step is now bust a move. Hey, good job.